There was no proper.
గాల్లో దోశలేక అర్థమైందా?
Could not even end the vlog properly. Mike, Mike, ఏం చేస్తున్నావు? ఏం చేస్తున్నారా? Let's get back to mixing and seal. Hello, hi, namaste everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Fully geared up. Just did the cold start. We'll wait for some time for the temperature to pop up. Got these shoes, boots, gloves are in the bag right now. We'll take them out once we are at the meetup. Why is the temperature not coming? We got a little late, but that's okay. Oh, it's already too bright. My train. Clouds look like they. Oh my god. Oh my god. Clouds look like it might rain, and it might rain really good. What do I have in my bag today? There's only raincoat and there's some more something more. Yeah, there's only my raincoat and chain loop. So currently oh my god, engine's only at 49 degrees now. Petrol is there, we have enough fuel, so we are not going much fast. We're only going till up to some 50-60 odd kilometers one way, and we'll be back after breakfast. So the thing is, it's been a week. Yeah, it's been like slightly over a week that we got this bike, and I haven't been on any ride. So just wanted to start somewhere. Long rides are not in plan. The long rides are not planned yet for any time in near future, but might go there, might go somewhere soon. Yeah, so the thing is, since the long rides are also not planned for any time soon, I didn't want to just keep this bike in the parking. I've been using it in the city. I've run almost 200 plus kilometers right now. But the thing with riding in city is, I don't see the mileage going up. And this bike, yesterday I noticed that this bike is giving a decent mileage at good speed, not in city speed limits. So good speed is not too top. Good speed is like a good 70, 80, 85. So this is giving a good mileage at that speed. So to get that mileage, I must stop riding this in the city. So that's why I just wanted to, take it out today. Then again, keep it under the cover in the parking. You see, you're looking at the traffic, right? This is 6 a.m. So this is the condition of traffic at 6 a.m. in Hyderabad. So just assume what's the traffic in working day, what's the traffic on a working day, and in peak hours. So this bike is not suitable for that kind of traffic. Bike does well, bike goes well, performance is nice. It is still smooth in bumper to bumper traffic as well. But the regular heating and oh, it's still 70 degrees. Okay. So yeah, the regular heating and gear shifting, frequent gear shifting makes it cumbersome in the traffic. This machine is like ఒకసారి గేర్ వేస్తే అది వెళ్తూ ఉండాలి, దాన్ని మధ్యలో మధ్యలో ఊరికే డిస్టర్బ్ చేయొద్దు. సెకండ్ గేర్, థర్డ్ గేర్, ఫస్ట్ గేర్, సెకండ్ గేర్ అలా డిస్టర్బ్ చేయకూడదు. ఫస్ట్ గేర్ వేసి సెకండ్ మూమెంటం వచ్చి సెకండ్ గేర్ వేసాక మెల్లగా వెళ్తూ ఉండొచ్చు. మళ్ళీ థర్డ్ గేర్, మళ్ళీ ఫోర్త్ గేర్, మళ్ళీ పైకి కిందకి ఉండకూడదు. కిందకి వచ్చి పైకి అలా అలా గేర్లు పైన కింద అవ్వకూడదు బేసిక్గా. దిలీప్ is waiting for us near Khajaguda or circle. Where there? Hi. Let me see the angle. By the way, have you noticed the red signal here is heart shaped? It's been over 2 weeks, I guess. Most red signals in Hyderabad are in heart shape. Boys are here, and now we start towards Hill Park restaurant. Sundays it is mostly crowded with bikes. Let's see how many do we have today. So basically this ride is for me to break in, on the bike with my riding boots and gloves. Woo! Oh, sunrise looks good. Too many riders today. That's the common scene of Hyderabad on Sunday. Most cities on Sunday, I believe. Don't ride like that guy. These rumble strips and speed breakers are for a reason on the road. They are not just some showpiece article on the road. Go slow. On that is safer than slowing down and taking that left and right. So the thing is, another mount came off today mid-ride, but then I have this string attached to my helmet, so that was not an issue. So I stopped and kept the GoPro in my bag. So here there are so many bikes, and these are our bikes. Dilip's, Gautam's and ours. Then Gautam met his another group friends. Here's Dilip. Hi. Hi. Back to the camera. Well, the mount broke from here. It's currently in the bag. So yeah, the mount came off from here. I guess I'll again have to set it with an M seal. So far, I don't know how much has been recorded. I'll as well get some clips from Dilip. He recorded something from his 360. So yeah, that's with the vlog. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching till here. Do drop a like, share, and if you're new here, do subscribe to PD on Wheels. Back onto the camera. Sorry, there were no proper end to the vlog, and the scenes have to cut abruptly because my GoPro actually fell down. Not GoPro. This mount was here and since this area is not flat, this fell down. Like it couldn't stick properly or could not hold that GoPro's weight and everything, so it fell down. And now, why this section in the vlog, I'll be using M-Seal like I did earlier to place a mount here, but now I decided that I'll use this mount. I'll keep it here and use M-Seal here itself, so I can be able to use the vents. I've taken little portion of this and this. This is supposed to be adhesive and this is supposed to be the hardener. Portions of that, and now mixing it into a ball. So this is almost ready, and now we will clean that part of helmet where we want to stick this MC. Why clean? Because if there is dirt or any other particle substance, adhesive won't work well. Just wipe it clean and get this. Give it a shape of the mount. Now aligning it to the center so you all can get a proper view. We must give it some time to dry. Meet you all once it is dried. I'll just show you a closer view. See. Hi. Oh. Hi. We're back. The M-Seal is drying, still drying, not completely dried up, but yeah, it is. It took a rigid shape now. So yeah, see, that's how it looks from outside. Only thing is this end gets covered up a little. The only thing is the end gets covered up a little. Otherwise, it is nice. I didn't want to, I never wanted to disturb this side of the helmet because of the Batman, but then had to do that now. Might as well get a new helmet sometime. Maybe, not sure. Okay, so the thing is, this M-Seal got a little rigid now. Yeah, so it's taking a rigid shape now, and it should look good. Maybe another 1 or half an hour, or maybe 1.5 hours.